All right, let's talk about something a lot of guys feel, but almost nobody talks about. It's that empty feeling, that sense of hollowness, even when on paper your life looks pretty good. It's this weird modern paradox that so many men are quietly wrestling with.
Wow, I mean, this question really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? You've checked all the boxes. You've got the job, you hit the gym, you have your friends, you're doing everything you're supposed to do. And yet, despite all of that, there's this nagging feeling, a quiet void where you just feel like fulfillment is supposed to be. And that right there, that's the paradox. It's this strange thing where on the outside, everything looks successful, everything's in its place, but on the inside, it just feels hollow. You feel adrift. And hey, if this sounds even remotely familiar to you, the most important thing to hear is this. You are absolutely not alone in feeling this way. This is a really common shared experience.
So, Section 1, the architecture of purpose. The subtitle here is great. What's missing isn't a thing, it's a foundation, and that really sets us up. So, what's actually causing this feeling? Well, here's the big idea. What's missing isn't another achievement, another gadget, or another person in your life. No. What's missing is a foundation, an internal architecture of purpose.
Think about it this way. A life without this architecture, well, it feels hollow, adrift, kind of unstable, like a house built without any support beams. It just feels shaky. But a life with it? That's a whole different story. It feels purposeful, solid, directed. It's the difference between just being pushed around by the currents and actually steering your own ship.
So this is absolutely key. The solution isn't to go out and just add more stuff to your life. More success, more things. That's basically just redecorating a house that has a weak foundation. It's not going to fix the real problem. The real work, the actual solution, is to build a better structure within your life, from the inside out.
All right, Section 2, the 3 pillars explained, and the subtitle, the blueprints for a meaningful life. Okay, so if we're going to talk about building an architecture of purpose, well, we're going to need some blueprints. And that's exactly what this is. This entire framework is built on 3 really fundamental pillars.
And here they are. The framework for purpose rests on these 3 things. Number 1, connection. Number 2, contribution. And number 3, challenge. And listen, these are not just, nice-sounding words. Think of these as the 3 load-bearing walls of your entire life. They're the essential building blocks for that solid internal foundation.
Okay, let's dig into the first one. Pillar number 1 is connection. And look, this is so much more than just having a social network or a bunch of friends. This is the pillar of true belonging. It's about developing those really meaningful relationships with other people, where you feel seen, understood, and like you're part of a team.
So what does connection actually build for you? Well, a sense of community for one. You get strong social bonds. You create shared experiences with people. And maybe most importantly, you get that feeling that you are not alone in the world. It's the ultimate weapon against isolation.
Next up, we have pillar number 2, contribution. This is the pillar of service. It's about adding value to something that is way bigger than yourself. It's a total shift in focus, right? From what can I get to what can I give?
And what does contribution build? Well, first and foremost, a real sense of purpose. You get that feeling of being needed, which is huge. You feel like you're having an impact on the world, and that's how you start to build a legacy.
And the third pillar is challenge. This is the pillar of growth, and it comes directly from overcoming meaningful obstacles. We're so often taught to avoid difficulty, to seek comfort, but this pillar says no, that's where the good stuff is.
I mean, think about it. You don't get stronger in the gym by lifting imaginary weights, right? It's the same thing in life. Challenge is what builds your resilience and your toughness. It gives you real-world competence and a deep confidence in your own abilities. It's how you build a real sense of strength.
Okay, let's wrap this up. Start building your life from hollow to whole. So we have the blueprints now, we get the 3 pillars. The big question is, how do you start construction? This is about taking these ideas and actually using them to move from that hollow feeling to feeling whole.
So let's put it all together in a really simple way. The connection pillar, that builds your sense of belonging. The contribution pillar builds your sense of value. And the challenge pillar builds your sense of strength. Belonging, value, strength. That's the formula.
And it's so important to remember this. These pillars are all interconnected. They're not separate projects. They're a system. A weakness in one of them is going to affect the entire structure of your life. For example, if you don't have strong connections, it's hard to find ways to contribute. They all feed into each other.
So, We're going to leave you with this question. Just think about it for yourself. When you look at your own architecture, which pillar is the weakest? Right now, for you, which one needs the most work? Is it connection, contribution, or challenge? Because just identifying that weak spot, that's the first step to building a stronger life.